Hello, my name is Rumeda Cruz Bernabe, and I'm an aspiring virtual assistant.
Although I don't have prior experience as a VA, but through the training conducted by the LGU and the ICT, I was able to learn the following skills: email and calendar management, data entry, research, appointment setting, transcription, content creation, social media management, and basic web and graphic design.
Before moving to virtual assistance, I spent over 10 years in the hospitality industry, working as beverage cashier and minibar attendant. These roles helped me build customer service, multitasking, and problem-solving skills. As a media relations officer for a public relations and events company, where I serve as a media coordinator and admin assistant. These experiences have been a significant foundation for my work as a virtual assistant. With passion, trust, and dedication, I provide reliable support to help businesses grow. You can find my contact details below if you'd like to learn more about how we can work together.